Next up, we have come up to a very important milestone or a very important section in this particular course, which is about communicating through the network.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
Okay, and whenever you are communicating through the network, you have a variety of different protocols which need to be followed. Okay, so one of such protocol is HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And in this particular section, we'll first of all be studying how network communication is actually achieved. Then we'll look at what are the various HTTP requests. Then we'll also look at what is deployment of a particular project. And then we'll look at what is boilerplate for a cloud app. Okay, then we have the section outcomes where we'll understand how we can interface HTTP requests with the particular code which we have written for our app. Then we'll understand how various HTTP requests work and what are the various HTTP requests. And then finally, we'll build, test and deploy an entire app on the cloud. Okay, so there is a lot planned onto this particular section. So now before starting on, this section will be a little bit programming intensive. So there will be a lot of new terms which will be introduced, then there will be a lot of new aspects which will be explained. And throughout this particular section, if you have any doubts, then feel free to let me know in the Q&A section of this particular course and I'll be more than happy to help you out. And regarding some basic HTTP requests, there are mainly two different types or two different requests which we are going to be studying, which is GET and POST. Okay, so with all of this, we'll be studying more network communication in bigger details and we'll write code in this particular section to analyze how the entire network communication process is actually working, and then take all of this code and the app which we have written and then deploy it on a cloud and then test the various methods which we have done, and we'll also get a good taste of how hard debugging on Google Cloud or overall on any cloud system after deploying actually is. Okay, so with a lot of different stuff planned for this particular section, without wasting any more time, let's get behind the screen.